This is my gardening illustration of what happens to God's people when they all congregate in one space and refuse to spread the gospel and spread out to other places. I'm using the illustration of a cob of corn. This is a cob of corn that I just planted, didn't do anything to it, and it's inside of a pot that got plenty of water. Okay? So this is likened to everyone that's in the church. Every Sunday, they receive the word of God. Everyone congregated together. This is what happens when you give them a bigger church. They spread it out some. They got a little pollen there, but no corn, no fruit. Here's another batch. Lots of pollen there for them to produce corn ears, but nothing is there. Okay? Now, compare this to those that obeyed the command of Jesus Christ, spread the gospel to other people as they met other people. Now I'm going to show you when it is done properly, the result of the ears when they're spaced. You can see it from here. Look at how tall they've grown. They still together, but they're not piled up on top of each other like you see the corn in the container. Everything needs a little room to grow. All right? So don't feel like you have to stay planted in the church. It's okay to go out there into the world, spread the gospel, learn the gospel for yourself, and that way you'll be able to produce fruit that you can then share with others, and then it itself will produce seeds to grow again.